next is I want to create a new layer for it. So I'll create Command Alternate Shift E. So we have a copy at the top. What we do here, we come to our liquify. Now we want to restructure the face, like this part that is done. Let's go to the eye. These are the eyes. If you want to control the eye, this is what you use to control the eye. If you want to nose and the face, the mouth and everything, you can see it here. So we're going to work on the entire face, shape of the face. Let me see. You can see what we are doing. So some people, they have too much fat. You can do it this way. You do it. So you know, women, they like something. See. So what we want to do here, we are just taking this up a bit. Just small. Too much of everything is bad. 3% is enough for me. I can work on the smile, or if I don't want her to smile, see, I don't want her to smile. She was smiling, says she's smiling. So like this, I don't want her to smile. So I'll take it back a bit. I'll take it back. So the nose, I want the nose to be a bit long. I can make it wide. I will take it back just more. So the height, so I can increase the height a bit, just a bit. So everything is just little eye size. She complained that my eye is too big. You can see this one control the left. So you can do all this one here. So I don't want to do any of this. So okay, this is fine by me. Before, after, before, after. So let's move to the eyes. You can see the eyes here. So let's try and whiten the eyes. I use my, so this eye, the eye whitening filter will be on the comment section, as in on the description of this video. You guys can just get it for free. You can use it if you like it. I'll use my brush for it. So make sure you subscribe to this class. This is a full class for you. I'm not taking out anything. So I'm making this video for my students, so I'm just trying to share with everyone. So now the white is okay for me. Now the exposure is too much, another thing. So let's do our color grading. Yeah, color grading, the most difficult part. So I want to take my screen sample, come to your, how do you call it? Just look at it at the bottom, I don't know the name, and click your gradient map. Yeah, listing gradient map. When you open your gradient map, this is what you get, don't worry about it. So click on it, select your image like this. So what we want to do now, we want to, let's take it, let's turn it off. So let's select, we want to pick the darkest part of the face. Let's darkest part. So we'll pick, let's, okay, I want to pick the neck. Take here for select your sample, and the brightest part of the face at the top. Can say, so at the middle, let's take something that is in between. Can create a point here. So I'll alternate to manuals, like I'll press my alternate down. So just take at the middle. Now here we can pick a place that is not too dark. Then we can pick another one here too. So another one here too, like similar place too. So we can still add another one also here. So here like this, and like let's pick here. So pick OK. So this is what we get. So you can try your overlay, soft light, and say put it on soft light or put it on your color. You can put it on color. So and say you do your different color. But me, I like using soft light or overlay. So my soft light. Look at it. So we have a uniform color on the face. But now I don't want to apply it on all the areas of the face. So I'll just click invert my mask and pick my brush tool. After picking my brush, I'll just paint it on the area that I want it to be applied to. So sorry. Okay. So take it, apply it on just the area that you want it to be applied to. So this is how to do your color grading on different image to unify the skin. So I want to delete this because I just made this to show you guys. Let me go back. Let me off it. The next thing I want to take my curve. The image is too overexposed. I'm taking it down a bit. So I'll pick my this icon and just take on the face, take it down a bit. So just small. So take it down a bit. Let's apply this again. See it? So what we just did. So let's check the overall before and after. Before and after, before and after, before and after. So this video is also those that don't like changing background, you can still use this method to do your video. So now let's do some highlight and like let me create some stuff on the face. I don't want to create anything, I just want to teach you guys on how to make it. I'll create my new layer, carry my brush tool. This is my brush tool. So what you do is sorry guys, so I'll create new layers, curve, 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 curve. This is my white, I'll take it white. So white, I'll invite it, I'll just say bone. So I'll create another curve, take it down. So you know women they like rubbing pancake. The reason why we have our light, our face features because we have light and dark. So the bright place represent your bone and dodge. So let's take this. This one will give us like so can just do like this. Okay. After I put on one here, the forehead is bright enough. I put one here. Then the black place like this, like this, like this. Understand? Can put like this. Understand? So now what you do, you click on this stuff here and you increase the feather. See it now? So what we just did, just increase the feather. Do the same thing for the white too. See? So what we just did, you still decrease it. So before, after, before, after. So you can decrease the entire process just a little. Too much of everything is bad. Open it and decrease them on your own, the opacity. 70, this one also by 70. So now I want to create another one. I want this be part of the face also. Another curve here. So take it down and so up. The same thing we did and down. So let's hold this one down. So let me just say black, white. The labeling just for me to know what I'm doing. Let me off this. So when you this one invite it, the same thing and on the two. So what we do is we want to create this part. This is our white. Click the first point and press your shift down to get a straight line. So see it here and get a straight line. Here and get a straight line. Then put it here. I know all those people that does makeup, they know what they call this box. Usually do this. So do this. This black, just a very tiny line at the middle. So we'll see what this will give to us. So this white, let's take it down and do the same thing, the feather. So give us that light on it. Very small. So what we just did. See it. So the black also, we'll do the same thing on the black by increasing the feather. See? See what we just did. This is looking good. So guys, don't forget this video is premium series, as in premium class, do well subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you can say thank you to me if you are learning something for what I'm doing. So see now, let's go back and see before and after. Let's say before, wow, after, before, after. This is looking good. So now finally a bonus tip for you. I want to make my background there, I'm a background manipulator. I will not want my background to just look like this. So this video is full of cough. So I think we'll have enough time here. So brushing, just a bit, just to get the flow. So just something very little. So guys, my name is Mr. Lina and this is the Dynamic Photography Studio. If you like what you just watched, please, like I said, do and subscribe. And I have a group. For those of you who want to have one-on-one communication with me, you can join the group on the description, join my WhatsApp group and you can get to talk one-on-one. Then if you still want to go further, remember you can still do more on this eye also. The same thing I did on this part, you can do it to the eye. You can do it to the eye to get, the more time you spend on your image, the better your image. So you can do it the same thing for your eye. Sorry, it is black. You can do the same thing for your eye. So you can just do brush, the same thing that we just did. All this eye pencil, whatever, you can make it sharper like this. You can do it on the eye. There is a beauty that comes with it. Just do it. Just do it. The same thing. So you can do it on the eyes also. See it now. So you can take your bone brush to increase the color here. After you just off this one and create this part here, and just create something to make those eyeshadow and just bring them back a bit. So those colors, just bring them back. So once you are done, also you can just off and see before and after. Okay, so what you did on the eye. So once you are done, what I usually do, I will apply my skin details at the top. So I will apply my skin details. So take it to like 10%. So this is my end result. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing.